Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. So in this video we will see how to remove duplicates or duplicate elements from a list. So let us say we have a list whose name is my list and it contains some duplicate elements like 1, 2, 4, 5 and 2 and 1 are again repeated, 5 is also repeated, and let's say it has another element 3. Okay, so now the first step in removing duplicates from a list would be converting this list into a set. See, we know that in Python, whenever we use the inbuilt function set, that converts the argument into a data type named set. That means that particular argument will only have unique elements. No element would be repeated. Okay, so when I write this particular statement, it will take as input this my list and it will return a set consisting only of unique elements. So if I execute or if I print this statement, what result will I get? I will get a set. Why it is a set? Because it contains curly bracket. But since it contains unique elements, half of our purpose is fulfilled. So what we'll have to do next is we'll have to convert this set that we have obtained into a list. So the function or the inbuilt function for converting this particular set into a list would be the list function. So after converting the original my list into a set, we have again converted the resulting set into a list using this function, and now we will print the result, and finally you will get the original list but with the unique elements only. So if you have to save this list, you can also do it something like my list equal to list of set of my list. So what will happen basically, whenever you execute multiple functions or perform multiple operations on the right hand side, first the innermost operation will be executed and then the outer operations would be executed. So let's say now if at the end we print my list and we comment the intermediate statement this, let's see what is the result. Again we are getting the same result. So let's write some string so as to differentiate our output. Let's say new list is, or the modified list is my list. So this is the output. Okay, so this is a very simple program to convert a given list into a list containing only unique elements or to remove duplicates from a list. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.